Here, the chief guest, it's a proud privilege and honor to inform you that we will be having.
He always speak to the particularly this young talents of sports.
The dignitary is on the dais. May I request Deepa Kamara ma'am to come on the dais and take her seat. We have Dr. Modi Kumar in the Director Sports. Paimon Mahotsav. Official opening of Yogasana Under 17 boys. This is the time for hosting the flag of School Games Federation of India as well as the School Sports Board.
Sir always speak with these talents every time in Mon Ki Baat অনুষ্ঠান.
This is a heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Sir for its privilege to have you.
And officials will participate in this mega national champion. Some of them have landed in Tripura. You know about it, that around 35 number states and units of India.
আমরা আমাদের রাজ্যে অনুষ্ঠান করেছি, এর মধ্যে আমরা শুরু করেছি ন্যাশনাল। আমরা ইতিমধ্যে আজকে আমরা বয়েজদের জাতীয় স্তরে 69তম যোগা আমরা এই কম্পিটিশনের আয়োজন করছি। এই ধরনের আমরা অনেকগুলো ক্রীড়া কিন্তু আমরা আয়োজন করছি আমাদের রাজ্যে। আর এটা সম্ভব হচ্ছে আপনারা যারা আমাদের স্পোর্টস দপ্তরে যারা আছেন, আপনাদের সকলের প্রয়াস এবং মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী যেভাবে আমাদেরকে মার্গদর্শন দিচ্ছেন সেভাবে আমরা করছি, তাই আমরা সফলভাবে আমরা বলতে পারি এই অনুষ্ঠানগুলো আমরা করছি। আমাদের রাজ্যে আপনারা যারা এসছেন গোটা দেশ থেকে যারা ছাত্ররা এই যোগাতে অংশগ্রহণ করার জন্য আপনাদেরকে আমি আবারও স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি যে আপনারা আমাদের রাজ্যে ছোট হলেও আমাদের রাজ্যে খেলাধুলার পরিকাঠামোগতভাবে আমরা যথেষ্ট অন্যান্য ছোট রাজ্যের তুলনায় যদি বলি খারাপ নয়, আমরা ভালো দিকে রয়েছি এবং আমাদের এখানে একটা ক্রীড়া প্রেমী মনোভাব মানুষের মধ্যে রয়েছে যারা খেলাধুলাকে ভালোবাসে এবং প্রতিভার যথেষ্ট অনেক খেলোয়াড়রা রয়েছে যারা জাতীয় স্তরে অনেক মেডেল অর্জন করেছে, সুনাম অর্জন করেছে। আমরা আশা করব আমাদের এই যে যোগা যারা প্রতিযোগিতায় অংশগ্রহণ করবে তারা ইতিমধ্যে জাতীয় স্তরে বিভিন্ন যোগা কম্পিটিশনে ভালো সুনাম অর্জন করেছে। এবারেও এই আয়োজনে আমাদের রাজ্যের যারা পার্টিসিপেট তারাও ভালো করবে এবং বাইরের থেকে যারা এসছে তারাও ভালো করবে। এখানে আমরা জানি ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল বা কয়েকটা রাজ্য রয়েছে, ত্রিপুরা, ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল, উড়িষ্যা, এরকম কয়েকটা রাজ্য রয়েছে যেখানে যোগাতে খুব ভালো করছে। তো আমরা আশাবাদী তাদের কাছে তারা তাদের পারফরমেন্স দিয়ে এখানে যারা বিচারকরা আছে সেই বিচারকে তারা দেখবেন, জাজমেন্ট যারা এসেছেন বাইরের থেকে এবং আমাদের যোগাসনার যারা রয়েছে তারা সেগুলো দেখবেন। আমরা আশা করছি ভালোভাবে আমাদের এই অনুষ্ঠানটা আর আপনারা সকলে সহযোগিতা করবেন। আপনার সকলকে ধন্যবাদ এবং মঞ্চে যারা রয়েছে তাদেরকে স্বাগত জানিয়ে আমার আলোচনা শেষ করলাম। নমস্কার।
Encompassing a wide range of styles, different types of styles and approaches. There is no specific styles that you have to follow. In different way, styles also changes. It is recognized not only for its physical benefits like improved flexibility. Usually common people like us, what do you think, then go for your physical flexibility, physical fitness like that. But as I have already mentioned, it is yoga, not biog. It is for connection. Your mind, your intellect, your body, soul, it should be connected through this yoga. Style may be different, but these are should be connected. So you have to have this flexibility, increase of the flexibility as well as strength, but for your mind, mental advantage such as stress reduction. You know, we are all under stress. Everybody is under stress. Somebody are for practicing or to compete for having good result in exam, or like us, we are also in stress, you know. So for that, if you do yoga, you will have less this thing, stress, and enhanced well-being. You will be good in all aspects and balanced lifestyle. Yogasana is not merely a competitive event. Here you have come for competition, but it is a science actually, if I say, rather it is a science and life rooted in our ancient Indian tradition. Dear participants, as you participate in this prestigious 69th edition, remember that Yogasana is a journey of self-discipline and self-control. Very important for you, all of you. Unlike many other sports, this is not like other sports. Yogasana teaches us to compete with ourselves first to improve our posture, stability and breathing and concentration. Even we have seen, it is already proved that person who does yoga every day, he is good in study also. So winning medals is not important, but mastering your mind, respecting your opponent and maintaining grace under pressure are the true victories in Yogasana. I firmly believe that such Yogasana event will play an inspiring and positive role in motivating our future generations. The National School Games is an important platform for the development of emerging sports talent across various events. The boys and girls of our state have been setting remarkable records in different events in the National School Games and Khelo India. I congratulate all of you. It is also a great pleasure to let you know that Tripura State School team bag laurels every year in yoga. Our Honorable Minister already had mentioned, from the competition of School Games Federation of India. Sports are, because you know, I was very much attached with the sports. My friend is here, Kapil Bhattacharya, he knows. We all together we had practices, this long distance run and all. Our state is home to many talented athletes. Through such national level sporting events, new talents will continue to emerge in the field of sports. And so these sports are absolutely essential for the nation as well as for the society as well as for our state. Through sports, children develop discipline, perseverance, responsibility, duty and patriotism. Tripura School Sports Board under Youth Affairs and Sports Development organize from block to state level school sports competition among the boys and girls of under 14, 17 and 19 years. The State Yoga Institute at Netaji Subhash Regional Coaching Center is running with the regular yoga activities, where nearly about 200 the students, they are coming here and they get the practice of this yoga practice regularly. Moreover, Tripura Sports School, Bhadargarh and Panishagar are also running with the Yogasana activities. Let us all remember that Yogasana is India's gift to the world, and through platforms like School Games Federation of India, we are ensuring that this gift continues to shine brightly through our youth. Events like this play a crucial role in discovering new talent. I hope that this gathering of your young talents from across the country will continue to bring glory of our nation and also to our state on the world Yogasana stage. I hope that with everyone's sincere participation and sense of responsibility, this event will become a grand success. With these words, I once again welcome you all to 69th edition of School Games Federation of India. Vigarsana sports events and wish the event a grand success. Above all, I must say that wish you a happy and prosperous New Year 2026. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Vande Mataram.
So I try to find out what is Yogasana. Then when I inquired or searched for what is Yogasana, it has two words and both are taken from the Sanskrit word. Yuga we know it is unite through asana. That's why it is called Yogasana. So in this Yogasana competition, really it's a great pleasure for me, for us, and rather I should say, to know that School Games Federation of India, SGFI, has given responsibility to host the 69th National School Games 2025-26.
In this discipline of Vigarsana, boys and girls under 17. I congratulate the organizers for conducting this meaningful. I think it is the need of the hour that this event, which will promote the health discipline and our rich Indian heritage. The hosting of 69th National School Games Championship in the field of Vigarsana is indeed a proud moment and a milestone for our state. I convey my thanks to School Games Federation of India for giving us this opportunity to serve our best and to hold this kind of events in Tripura. And it is also a great pleasure to inform you, already you know about it, that around 35 number states and units of India, there are some units also, they have already participated and the number is about 350, and officials will participate in this mega national championship. This gathering of young talents, our Honorable Prime Minister always speak with these talents every time in Mann Ki Baat Anushthan, in every last Monday of every month, we always speak to particularly these young talents of sports. So these talents, some of them have landed in Tripura. Yoga, it is an ancient practice that originated in India. Yoga's history can be traced back over 5,000 years, with its earliest evidence found in Indus Valley civilization. Now there are different types of yoga. Hatha yoga and modern developments from the 9th to 11th century, it was focusing on physical posture, that is asanas, and breath control, and it was popularized by our Swami Vivekananda, who introduced this yoga to Western audience, emphasizing its spiritual and psychological aspects rather just physical posture. So Hatha yoga, it is a broad branch of yoga, and he has popularized among the Western countries. The word yoga is itself derived from the Sanskrit, which I already have mentioned, that yog, meaning join or to unite, signifying the union of individual consciousness with individual consciousness with universal consciousness. That means integrating body, mind and spirit. That is called yoga. And for that only our Honorable Prime Minister used to say that yoga should be done by each of us the proposal, that's why he has already asked that to the United Nations in September 2014 that every person in the world, not only in India or any state, they should follow this yoga. And listening or after having this appeal from Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi in 2014, United Nations had declared June 21st as the International Yoga Day. Everybody will know, and we also celebrate this 21st every June 21st as International Yoga Day. And you will be knowing, already most of the people know that about 177 countries, they have already agreed upon his appeal. And since 2015, the day has been observed globally. Today,